Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 4 October 2021. So today topic is static. Static keyword. So what is static keyword? Static keyword is a non-access modifier, and when we are using a static keyword into the variable blocks in our class methods, and we are not using a static keyword where the local variables and the outer class. For the local variable and outer class, it's not accessible to using a static keyword. Static keyword is for the using the properties and behavior of the static class. Then how to declare the static class. Static class we can declare by using a static keyword. Create one class, then declare the static variable as a static integer a equals to 10. Then is a declaration of the variable of static. Then uh, static is saving the memory. Its main agenda is saving the memory of the code. Then static variable is used. Static variable create a copy at once when we declare the variables. It's not creating a multiple copy. Then it's create only one copy of the variable and give it's share the among all the classes as a object. If we declare the variable as a static, then we can't create a multiple copy of that variable. Then next topic is a method. Whenever we declare the method, we can use the directly the static method for the calling. We can access the static method is only access the static method code. It's not access non-static method code. Then static memory is allocated the memory when the class is loaded, and same for the static variable is loaded when the class is loaded. It's giving the memory at the time of the class loading. Then static is a then for example of the method, take one class A, and then declare the variable integer a equals to 10. Then take a method static void addition, then do the addition of the two numbers. Integer result equals to add integer a plus integer b, and then print that result. And then we can call this method using a class name directly. We don't need to create an object for that method. For example, class void addition dot a, we can directly call the method by the static keywords using a static keyword. Then block is a execute the whole code of the static method variables in a class, and we don't need to create an object of that class. We can directly access that class by using a static keyword. Static keyword is used to save the memory at the time of calling, because the static keyword is giving the memory at the time of class is loaded. When, for example, take a whole example of the class, static class Kelsey. Then take the variable integer a and integer b, and give the integer a value to the 10 and integer b is a 20. Then take a method static void addition, then do the addition. Then take another method which is a subtraction, and also declare that subtraction method is a static void subtraction. Then do the subtraction, and then call these two method by using the static, because these two methods are the static, so we can directly call this method by using the class name. For example, add dot Kelsey and add subtraction dot Kelsey. We don't need to create a main method in when we use the static keyword. So it is static keyword is all over the saving the memory into the class. When the class is loaded, it's allocating the memory while a class is created. So this is the explanation of the static keyword. Thank you.